Simpliaxis' Mastering Generative AI Tools course is curated for professionals willing to advance their careers. The course's curriculum goes beyond theoretical concepts. Learners can gain hands-on experience in content creation, code development, and design enhancement. To enroll in Mastering Generative AI Tools online with Simpliaxis, visit our website and fill out the registration form. Once payment is confirmed, you will receive a welcome email with all the details. Complete this course to demonstrate your expertise in leveraging generative AI tools like ChatGPT, DALL-E, Tome, SoundRaw, Synthesia, Hugging Face, Midjourney, GitHub Copilot, and Gemini. We offer convenient online payment options via credit cards, debit cards, or bank transfers. Register early to enjoy our special discounts. This certification is valuable for both technical and non-technical professionals, with roles available in diverse industries like IT, healthcare, finance, and more. Take the next step in your career and advance your skills with online training in Mastering Generative AI Tools. Visit the Simpliaxis website today and enroll in our world-class training program.